Hello students. In previous lectures, we have discussed many types of relations. Let's discuss one more type, that is identity relation. A relation R in a set A is called identity relation if every element of A is related only to itself. That means relation R contains the ordered pairs of the form XX in which X belongs to set A. Sometimes there is confusion between identity and reflexive relation. Let's discuss the difference between identity and reflexive relation with one example. Let A is a set with elements 1, 2 and 3. Define relations R1 and R2 in the set A as R1 contains the ordered pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and R2 contains the ordered pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2 and 1, 3. As you can see, 1 belongs to set A, order pair 1, 1 belongs to R1. 2 belongs to set A, order pair 2, 2 belongs to R1. 3 belongs to set A, order pair 3, 3 belongs to R1. R1 satisfies the condition of identity and reflexive, both the relations. So R1 is reflexive as well as identity relation. But R2 contains some extra order pairs 1, 2 and 1, 3 also. So R2 satisfies the condition of reflexivity only. So we conclude that every identity relation is a reflexive relation, but vice versa is not true. Let's discuss some extra questions. Determine whether the relation R defined in the set N of all natural numbers as R contains the ordered pair AB in which B is equals to A plus 5 and A is less than 4 is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. First, write down the ordered pair which belongs to the relation R. These are 1, 6, 2, 7 and 3, 8. R is not reflexive as the order pair 1, 1 doesn't belongs to relation R. Similarly, R is not symmetric as order pair 1, 6 belongs to relation R but order pair 6, 1 doesn't belongs to the relation R. Let's check this transitivity. As there are no such ordered pair of the form AB and BC belongs to relation R, so we don't have any ordered counterexample which doesn't satisfy the condition of transitivity. Therefore, R is a transitive relation. Let's take another question. Determine whether the relation R1 defined in the set R of all real numbers as relation R1 contains the ordered pair AB in which A is less than or equals to B square is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Purpose to discuss this example is that if relation is neither reflexive, symmetric or transitive, then we need to write down one counterexample which doesn't satisfy the condition. As you can see, 1 by 2 is a real number, but the ordered pair 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 doesn't belongs to the relation R1 because 1 by 2 is not less than or equals to 1 by 4. Therefore, R1 is not reflexive. Let's check for symmetric. As we observe, ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to the relation R1 as 1 is less than 2 square, but ordered pair 2, 1 doesn't belongs to the relation R1 because 2 is not less than or equals to 1 square. Therefore, R1 is not symmetric. In the same way, we check for transitive also. For transitivity, let ordered pair AB and ordered pair BC belongs to the relation R1. It implies that A is less than or equals to B square and B is less than or equals to C square. But from this, we can't conclude that A is less than or equals to C square. So we need to write down one counterexample which doesn't satisfy the condition of transitivity. For example, ordered pair 10, 4 belongs to the relation R1 and ordered pair 4, 3 belongs to the relation R1 as 10 is less than 4 square and 4 is less than 3 square. But the ordered pair 10, 3 doesn't belongs to the relation R1 because 10 is not less than 3 square. Therefore, R1 is not transitive. Moving to the next example. Let L be the set of all lines in a plane and R be the relation in L defined as R containing the ordered pair L1, L2 in which line L1 is perpendicular to line L2. Check whether the relation R is an equivalence relation. As we know, no line is perpendicular to itself. So ordered pair L1, L1 doesn't belongs to the relation R. So R is not reflexive. As R is not reflexive, we conclude here only that R is not an equivalence relation without checking symmetric and transitive. Let's take another example. Let the relation R in the set A given by R containing the ordered pairs AB in which mod A minus B is a multiple of 2 is an equivalence relation. Write the set of all the elements related to 1. Set of all the elements related to 1 is a set containing those elements of A which are related to 1. It means if A belongs to set A and A is related to 1, then ordered pair A1 belongs to relation R. So mod A minus 1 is a multiple of 2. Now we need to find those elements of set A for which mod A minus 1 is a multiple of 2. If we put A is equals to 1, mod 1 minus 1 equals to 0 is a multiple of 2. If we put A is equals to 3, mod 3 minus 1 equals to 2 is a multiple of 2. If we put A is equals to 5, mod 5 minus 1 equals to 4 is also a multiple of 2. Set of all the elements related to 1 is a set containing the elements 1, 3 and 5. It is also known as equivalence class of 1. Let's define equivalence class also. Let R be an equivalence relation in the set A and let B belongs to set A. Then we define the equivalence class of B as a set containing those elements of set A for which ordered pair AB belongs to relation R. Moving to the next example. Let A is a set containing 1 to 9 natural numbers and R be the relation in the set A cross A defined by ordered pair AB is related to ordered pair CD in the relation R if A plus D is equals to B plus C, where order pair AB and order pair CD belongs to A cross A. Prove that R is an equivalence relation. Also find the equivalence class of order pair 2, 5. Here the important point is that all those ordered pairs which belongs to the relation R, their first and second entries are itself ordered pair as the relation R is defined on A cross A. Since A plus B equals to B plus A is true, this implies ordered pair AB is related to ordered pair AB in the relation R, therefore R is reflexive. For symmetric, let ordered pair AB is related to ordered pair CD in the relation R. It implies that A plus D equals to B plus C. After solving, we can write down it as C plus B equals to D plus A also. This implies ordered pair CD is also related to ordered pair AB. Therefore, R is symmetric relation. For transitive, let ordered pair AB is related to ordered pair CD in the relation R and ordered pair CD is related to ordered pair EF in the relation R. It implies that A plus D equals to B plus C and C plus F equals to D plus E. Adding 1 and 2, we get A plus F equals to B plus E. This implies ordered pair AB is related to ordered pair EF in the relation R. Therefore, R is transitive. As relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore it is an equivalence relation. Now, equivalence class of ordered pair 2, 5 is a set containing those ordered pairs of A cross A which are related to ordered pair 2, 5. Let ordered pair AB is related to ordered pair 2, 5. This implies A plus 5 is equals to B plus 2. This implies B minus A equals to 3. Now we need to find out those order pairs of A cross A which satisfies that B minus A equals to 3. These are order pair 1 4, 2 5, 3 6, 4 7, 5 8 and 6 9. This is the equivalence class of order pair 2 5. So students, we have discussed all the concepts related to relations. Now you can try the questions of chapter 1 from an NCERT book or any other reference book which is with you. Thank you.